Hello everyone, this is Gunjit and today I am going to show you about a proxy service. So what this service basically does is that they let you order anything from Japan, and the exclusive products which are only available in Japan, you can ship them worldwide using this website. So the website goes by the name of jpfans.com. I am going to leave the link in the description below, and let me walk you through about exactly how this website works. Alright, so first of all you would want to open this website. You can select your preferred language and currency. So let's say my preferred language is English and my preferred currency is USD. So I'm going to select that, and you can order anything from various places in Japan. So you can order from Mercury, JDirect items, and even Amazon Japan. So how this website basically works is that you can shop for anything from Japan, and they are going to order it for you, store it in their warehouse, and they can deliver it to you after you order for the international shipping, and it is typically delivered within 1 or 2 weeks. So let me show you how exactly you can order from this website. So let's say if I want to order from Amazon, so I can select any product that I want. So let's say that I want to order this one piece Pops Mocha, so I can add to my cart from right here. And once you add it to your cart, it is going to look something like this, and you can select and submit. And as for the coupon codes, I have got 2 coupon codes for you. So let's say if you are ordering anything from this website, you are going to get $86 discount using the link I have given in the description below, and you will also get 50% discount if you order anything from the Mercury section, which we are doing right now. And as for the shipping cost, if you are ordering for the first time, they give you a huge discount on the shipping cost, which makes it negligible. So you can definitely check that out. And now obviously I cannot go through the payment process for the security reasons, but I have already placed an order from this website. So let me show you how that looks. So a few days ago I ordered JBL headphones through their Amazon section, and it is directly coming from Amazon Japan. So as you can see that it has reached their warehouse, and if I click on details, the best thing I like about their website is that they provide quality inspection photos before they ship the item over to you. So as you can see that these are the headphones that I have ordered, and they are currently in the warehouse stage, and they are awaiting for me to provide a shipping address. So this is the first image. They actually provide you 3 images in total. So this is the second image with the measurement tape right here, and it is the third inspection photo from the back side. You can even zoom in if you want, and this way it ensures that you are not receiving any wrong product. And once you have reviewed your inspection photos, you can directly go to packing, and you can select all and submit, and you can select the prepaid option, and it will show you the shipping price options with the discount applied, of course. Now obviously I cannot go through this process because it is going to reveal my address, but from here you can apply for international shipping, and it will ship you the product within 1 or 2 weeks. So that's how this website works. I'm going to leave my affiliate link in the description below for you to check out. So make sure to check out this website if you really want to order something from Japan. So guys, that was it for this video. Goodbye, have a nice day.